Hi, in this video, we'll go through the admin interface of Adivaha offline flight booking plugin. So for that, I'll go to Adivaha. Then we'll navigate to the Adivaha offline flight booking. Then over here, we can find all the settings. So these are the shortcodes. These you can use these shortcodes in order to create respective pages. For an example, this shortcode creates a search box. This shortcode creates a search results. Very same way, it creates flight booking, then confirmation, and these are for landing pages. We have a detailed video about all these shortcodes so please check our other videos, other related videos also. Then again, the page setting is much more described on those other videos. Then this is the common setting. So this is just in case if you would like to perform the transaction in test environment, and this is for live. This way you will receive the live rates. Now this is the markup. This is the markup that you can set in the overall price of the flight. This is the email. Uh, this particular email will receive each and every single confirmation email copy. Now, these are the default destinations that you can set in your search box. Currently, it's set to Chennai to Mumbai. That's the reason if we see the search box, the default destination would be filled with Chennai to Mumbai. You can set it to anything of your choice. So this is it in this admin video. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, and thanks for watching.